small letter X. In previous video we did small letter W. Now and in today's session I am going to teach you how to write small letter X. See here, these both are blue lines. We have to write small letter X in blue line. Small letter V, small letter W and small letter X we have to write in blue line. Have a look how to write small letter X. First we have to make one slanting line like this, and then we have to make another slanting line like this. This is called small letter X. Again we have to make one slanting line like this, and then we have to make second slanting line like this. This is called small letter X. X for Xmas tree. Again see here, we have to make one slanting line and then second slanting line. Blue line to blue line. We have to make this slanting line blue line to blue line. This is called small letter X. Again, we have to start this slanting line from blue line to bottom blue line like this, and then we have to make same slanting line here. It is easy to write small letter X. You have to make two slanting line, cross lines. Blue line to blue line. This is called small letter X. X. X for X-ray and X for Xmas tree. You have to write small letter X in this blue line. I hope you understand how to write small letter X. Now we will do one activity related to alphabets. Now we will do one activity, and that is match the capital letter with small letter. In this activity what we have to do? We have to match capital letter with small letter. These all are capital letters and these all are small letters. We have to see here, this is a capital A. Now we have to find here small a, and then we have to make matching by draw a line. Which letter is this? This is capital letter A. Now we have to find here where is small letter A. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. This is small letter A. Now we have to make one line. Yes, like this. Now moving towards our next letter, that is capital E. E for elephant. Now we have to find here where is small letter E. This one? No, this one is small letter Q. This one? Yes, this one is small letter E. Now we have to draw one line like this. Yes. Now moving towards our next letter, that is capital H. H for hen. Now we have to find small letter H here. This one? No, this is small letter N. This one? Yes, this is small letter H. Now we have to draw one line. H2, capital H2, small h. Now, which letter is this? This is capital B. B for ball. Now we have to find small letter B here. Where is small letter B? This one? No, this is small letter T. This one? Yes, this is small letter B. Now we have to make one line. Yes. Now, which letter is this? This is capital letter L. L for lollipop. Now we have to find here where is small letter L. This one? No, this is small letter X. This one, yes, this is small letter L. Now we have to draw one line like this. Yes. Now, which letter is this? This is capital letter M. M for mango. Now we have to find where is small letter M. This one? No, this is small letter N. This one? Yes, this is small letter M. Now we have to do matching. M to M, capital M to small m. Okay. Now, which letter is this? This is N. N for nose. Now we have to find small letter N. Where it is? This one? Yes, this is small letter N. Now what we have to do? We have to make one line. Capital letter to small letter. We have to make one line like this for matching. Now which letter is this? This is capital letter G. G for gun. Now where is small letter G? This one? No. This is small letter Q. This one? Yes. This is small letter G. Now what we have to do? We have to make one line like this. Now moving towards our next letter. Which letter is this? Yes. This is capital Q. Q for queen. Now we have to find small letter Q. Where is small letter Q? This one? No, this is small letter X. This one? This is small letter R. Where is small letter Q? This one? Yes, this is small letter Q. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a line from capital Q to small q like this. Now, which letter is this? This is capital letter R. R for ring. R for ring. Where is small letter R? This one? No. This one? Yes. Now what we have to do? We have to draw one line. R to R. Where is small letter R? This one. And where is capital R? Here. Now we have to make one line. Capital to small. Like this. Okay. Now moving towards our next letter, that is capital T. T for tiger. Now where is small t? This one? Yes. This one is small letter T. Now what we have to do? We have to make one line to match capital letter with small letter. So we have to draw one line, capital letter to small letter T. Now last one. Which letter is this? This is capital letter X. Now we have to find here where is small letter X. Which letter is remaining? This one. What is this? This is small x. Now what we have to do? We have to draw a line from capital to small x. Let's we see again. See matching. Capital letter to small letter A. Capital letter A to small letter E. Capital letter to small letter H. Capital letter B to small letter B. Capital letter L to small letter L. Capital letter N to small letter M. Capital letter N to small letter N. Capital letter G to small letter G. Now capital letter Q to small letter Q. Capital letter R to small letter R. Capital letter T to small letter T. And capital letter X to small letter X. I hope you understand this activity. How to do this activity? It is simple. So you have to do practice of this activity. With the help of this activity, you come to know which is capital letter and which is small letter. And you have to do matching. And I hope you understand how to write small letter X. So you have to do practice of this both at your home. Children, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye.